Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday! God bless! Bye!
Happy birthday, Milen. Naway lalo ko pagpalain ni Lord. We love you.
Hi ate, happy birthday. Thank you for all the love, support, and the care that you give us here sa house. So, happy birthday.
Sabi daw, milestone. Pero sa akin, every year is a milestone, di ba? So, happy birthday!
Birthday, Mamu. More blessings to come. Tsaka, sana may work ka na. Happy birthday!
Ate Milen. Sanang lechon.
Hindi naman.
Birthday sis! Tayong lahat. Happy birthday, Milen. Di ba? May surprise kami pero gusto kami patayin, ha? Kasabat ako dito, kasabat.
Happy birthday, sis! Love you.
On behalf of my wife, Elsel, and Maxine, and me, we wish you a happy 60th birthday. At sana mas dumami pang yung blessing. Happy birthday.
Gusto ko lang kasi kasama siya sa picture.